Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. I'm back with problems of tension on the string. Yesterday I told you a method to find tension on the string. Today I'll discuss another method for this. So let's get started. For this I'm taking the same example which I taken yesterday. The 5 blocks of 5 kilogram, 4 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 2 kilogram and 1 kilogram having force 75 Newton, acceleration 5 meter per second square. So what is the tension on string T1, T2, T3 and T4? Yesterday I started with block 5 kilogram, but today by another method I start with the block 1 kilogram. So first we will draw the FBD of 1 kilogram. F is equal to 75 Newton. Because acceleration is in this direction, so the MA on this direction and the T4 is also on this direction. Tension is always away from the object. So T4 plus MA is equal to 75. T4 is equal to 75 minus MA. 75 minus M is equal to 1 into A is equal to 5. 75 minus 5, 70 Newton. T4 is equal to 70 Newton. For T3, we will draw the FBD of 2 kilogram block. Tension T4, T3 and MA on this direction, where M is equal to 2 kilogram. T3 is equal to T4 minus MA, because this in opposite side, so minus MA. T4 is equal to 70 minus M is equal to 2 into A is equal to 5. 70 minus 2, 5 to the 10 is equal to 60 Newton. T3 is equal to 60 Newton. 42, we take the block 3 kilogram. T3, T2, MA. I hope you understand what is the trick and you solve the whole question by your own. T2 and T3. T3 is equal to 60 minus M is equal to 3 and 5. 60 minus 15 is equal to 45 Newton. 41, we draw the block 4 kilogram. T2, T1 and MA, where M is equal to 4. T1 is equal to T2 minus MA. T2 is equal to 45 minus 4 into 5 is equal to 45 minus 20 is equal to 25 Newton. I hope all you understand the whole method, how we get tension by there. Yesterday I told you that we draw first 5 kilogram block. So I hope you like both the method. If you have any doubt, so ask me. I'll tell you the answer. Thank you.